Hi, my name is Elise Meger. I am the Assistant Director of Disability Services here at Hamline University. Our office is located in the Giddens Learning Center, 123 and 125 West. The Director of Disability Services is Kate Rainbolt. The purpose of our office is to provide academic accommodations for students with documented disabilities, such as a learning disability like dyslexia or attention deficit disorder. If you have been diagnosed with one of these disabilities, it would be your first step to sign up for academic accommodations would be to arrange a meeting with either myself or Kate. At that time, when you come in for your meeting, it's a good idea to bring in your documentation of your diagnosis. We will sit down and look over that documentation together, and also not only looking at what the documentation recommends, but also what you think that your needs are. We will then decide from there what your accommodations will be for either midterms or finals or both. Examples of the accommodations are extended testing time and to test in a reduced distraction room. So once we've determined what your accommodations are, we send a letter to Dean Davis over here at the law school. He then reviews that letter, and at that time it is your responsibility to get in touch with him to set up a meeting. You two will then sit down and he goes over the process with you for filling out the exam variance form. It is really important that the exam variance form be filled out well in advance of either midterms or finals. There is a deadline to get that form submitted, so that's why you want to identify yourself as soon as possible to us. Once you have filled out your exam variance form, request for an exam variance form, Dean Davis will review it. He will then get in touch with you via email or a phone call to let you know that it's been approved. At that time, he also gets you in touch typically with the registrar, so that you two can coordinate where you're going to be taking your exam, if it's in a separate room, and also how much extra time you will be receiving for that exam. So like I said, the best thing to remember is just to get in touch with us as soon as possible and set up that additional meeting with Dean Davis, and he will take it from there. Thanks.